Good evening. My name is Hilario Cahun. I am from Tijosuco, Quintana Roo, Mexico. I am here to show my experience working with Robbie Dickpen, translating methodologies that he's writing about marine conservation. So I have been part of this title, and I am really proud about this kind of job for two reasons. The first one is because the author tried to combine the scientist knowledge with the local knowledge, so all the things he are writing about marine conservation, he tried to give to indigenous communities using ethnotranslators to get in a better way to the communities. So the second reason is because indigenous languages are going to another areas, to another disciplines. I know that indigenous languages have low levels about development. Most of the time, people say that indigenous languages are spoken just at home, just at the farm, with a colleague, with a friend. But with this project, we can see that our languages are getting to another areas. So that's the second reason that I feel really happy working with this project. I am going to read two small paragraphs in Maya to hear how is that work that I did. I'm going to start with the first one. Lamehen pargo ba tanu bago ichile chak chukte oba. Utialu kashanti ko uyocho. Lehelo ba ukanti ko mehen shmak baket ikel hao. Hesh bishkange ho yete ikel ha wiandalo ichil mots. Beshan helu betalu babo hat sedi ichile mots obo. Utialu khanda alop tumen muchkayo. The second one. Barbarie del Jonie tan praktico el shot han hat to YouTube ita di le chukteo. Le han how to watch chalan betuno le kai ako mistano pata lo sai ko geotelo. Barbaran bilar mau el Jonie Gustavo Aguilare Cananilo, refugio de vida silvestre, laguna urbiana, Tujanja el Caribe, Costa Rica. Tiukini lutz hele hail akobo, le tiube comanu calanto, le cuchilo, yo salmo yo corta le geobo. Uchuktico, shiti le geobo, tu me wama eje yo corta lo ve, waje ojanta lo ve. Le chala menta, tu me cuchi le chukte telo. Yete yo se talamel kutasi le chocotan yo colcabo achia kutasi ko tile hail akobo yete shantim gel kahta lo lakal yo colcabo. I invite you to look for this book on our webpage to see what is the content about it. So that's all. I will repeat that I am very happy to be part of this project because my language is getting another areas. So thank you very much. Have a nice evening.